So the first place we will add the button is to our product card. So back to our folder structure here, we go to products and then product card. And first thing we need to do is to import our new button. So we can just import it here after our toast. And we say import easy button comes from our shared folder, style components, easy button. And now we have our button here. We can just say change the name, easy button, and close it like this. So easy button, because it's a touchable opacity. And we need to remove the title and the color as well. Just leave the onPress event because it will be the same. And here we'll have our text tag that will have the name of add. And then we have also a style to make it white. So we say color, just make it white. Just a simple style here. Okay, we save it. Nothing appears because we have to pass our props, and in this case we want a primary, so it can be a green button, and also the size of medium. So if we save now, and we already have our green buttons here, so looking as expected. Next we will add our buttons here to our product detail, and we go to our single product, again import our button. So import easy button from shared, style components, and easy button. So here we have the add button, and first thing we need to do is to delete the title, then change the name to easy button, then remove the self-closing tag and add the closing tag for easy button. And then the text will be text. We call it add as well, and we say the style will be the same, so a white color. So style color will be a white color. So we can save it. Nothing appears because we want our primary and medium button. So it's already appearing. Then we also need to add the button to our cart, and if we add a method to the cart, so we have two buttons here, we need to change them as well. So if we go to our cart folder, we go to our cart, and here we have our clear and checkout buttons. But first, not to forget to import our button, so we say import easy button from shared, style components, and the easy button. Then back here again to our clear and checkout. First thing we want to do is the clear button, so we say easy. And then our text tag, that will be in this case the clear, and again the style will be the color, so we say color will be the white color. And now we have to remove this title here as well and pass the properties we want. So the clear will be a danger event, so we want danger, and medium size as well. So already appears better here. Because this is a dangerous event for the user, we have to pass it as red. Now the same for the checkout, it should be easy for you. So again, remove the title, add easy to the name, also fix here the tag, so it will be easy button. Then the text, we can copy it from here, so we copy this line and we paste it here. Now we need to format it better. And instead of clear will be checkout. And the easy button here we want to be a primary. So we'll give it here to, but we can format this later, is okay. So primary and medium button. So green and medium size. And while we are here, we can also add the buttons to our login page. And the first thing we need to do is log out. And we see our buttons here, but we want to change this color. So first thing we do is go to our login screen. And we will have to import our easy button from, as you know, our shared folder, and style components and the easy button. And then we go down here to our buttons, and this first one will be the login, and we can say just easy like we did before, and we also need to close it with another tag, so easy button, and inside we'll have the text, and this text will be login. And we also need to delete this title because we'll have some error if we don't. And then we can just pass the style to be color white. And for this button we want it to be a large button and primary color, so our green color. Similar thing we have to do for our register, so we'll say easy button, again delete the title here as well, and then close the easy button tag. And now we can copy this text here, so we can, if we copy this text, so it will be the same, and we paste it here, just format our document. And now instead of login will be register, and our button will be also large, but in this case will be a secondary, so we'll have the blue color. And if we save now, we have our buttons with a blue color. And here I also have a E capital, just make it small and looks better. Now we can do the same for register. So back to register page, and we can copy this import here, back to register page, we just paste the import, and then we go down to find our buttons, and the first one will be the register, and we say easy button, again delete title, close our tag, easy button tag, and then we'll have our text inside, that will be the register, and then again our same style, so it will be style, color of white. And this button we wanted to have a large size and the primary color. So now same thing for our back to login button, we can do this faster, so close tag, easy button, and then we can copy this text tag as well for here and give it a back to login name. Now we can format the document, and this button we first delete the title, of course, and we also want it to be large, and we wanted to have the secondary color. Now we save, and we have it looking better.